Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of flower hanging pot designs. These flower hanging pot designs looking so beautiful and nice. If you designed your home living room from plants, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains beautiful designs of hanging pot designs. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch this video at the end. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. I hope this video provides you beautiful designs of hanging pots. With different hanging tops in different shapes for your home decor. These beautiful designs I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.